This is the first official look at Fedora Asahi Remix running on Apple Silicon Mac. It's a perfect alternative Linux operating system for M1 or M2 Macs. Fedora Asahi Remix is the result of a multi-year collaboration between Asahi Linux and the Fedora project. They have done a great job of bringing up a fully integrated Linux distribution for Apple Silicon Macs. Now, all of the Asahi platform-specific packages are available in upstream Fedora and fully supported in Fedora 39. Fedora Asahi Remix is based on Fedora 39, which supports M1 and M2 MacBooks, Mac Mini, Mac Studio, and iMac. I have installed on my M1 Mac and I want to share my initial experience of Fedora 39 running on bare metal. Stay tuned for the step-by-step installation video that is coming very soon. As you can see, I'm running Fedora 39 with Plasma Desktop on my MacBook Air M1. Now, compared to the previous builds of Asahi Linux, I can notice a major improvement. The desktop experience was very smooth. Now, thanks to Wayland, the Fedora Asahi Remix comes right out of the box with a 100% Wayland environment, bringing you the newest desktop and display server technologies, which are a perfect match for Apple Silicon. You can expect a buttery smooth desktop experience with absolutely no tearing or glitching, just like on Mac OS. Fedora Asahi Remix also offers other desktop environments such as GNOME 45 and also lets you customize your desktop configuration by installing a headless version. Now, out of the box, Fedora Asahi supports hardware-based acceleration and uses GPU to render the system UI. All animations and transitions throughout the system are super smooth. Thanks to OpenGL 3.3, which supports GPU-accelerated geometry shaders. It seems like they're not stopping there and started working on OpenGL 4 and welcome support that will be added down the road. The first thing that I noticed after installing Asahi Fedora was the quality of the sound that I was hearing through the speakers. I was completely blown away. The Asahi team has worked hard for 2 years to bring DSP solutions to the desktop Linux ecosystem. Now, this indeed lets you enjoy high-quality audio right out of the box on Apple Silicon Macs. Also, a special thanks to Bankstown, a custom software developed by the Asahi team that improves the bass of the audio and safely provides a full loudness and dynamic range. Overall, I would say it's the best laptop audio that I have ever heard. Now, when it comes to device support, these are the fully compatible Apple Silicon devices at the moment, including the M1 and M2 series MacBook, Mac Mini, Mac Studio, and iMac. Now, as of now, the microphone, USB-C displays, Thunderbolt, and Touch ID are not working. Now, apart from that, Wi-Fi, camera, and Bluetooth works fine. Just like macOS, the battery backup on Fedora Asahi is next level. Overall, I would say the Fedora Asahi Remix is the best Christmas gift from the Asahi team to the Apple Silicon users. Now, this is an excellent alternative operating system for M1 or M2 Macs that can be used as a daily driver. So stay tuned for more updates. The step-by-step installation video is coming very soon. Subscribe to my channel to see more future videos. Thanks for watching. This has been KSKRL. I will see you in the next one.